Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fifth class. Today we are working on prime factorization. Prime factorization. What is prime factorization? When we break down a number to its prime factors, we will call that prime factorization of that number. Prime factors can never be composite numbers. Prime factors can never be composite. So here are two ways for making factor of any numbers. Two ways for prime factorization. Number one is factor tree method and number two is division method. Number one is factor tree method and second one is division method. How to do a factor tree method? For example, you have a number 12. Which tables can make 12? 2 6 are 12. 2 is a prime number because it cannot be further divided and it comes in its own table. And where 6 can be further divided into two parts, that is 2 3s are 6. So 2, 2 and 3 are the prime factors of number 12. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. These are the prime factors of a number that is 12. So and now come for the division method. What is division method? In division method you can take the prime factors 58. We will divide it in with prime numbers. As you know that prime numbers are first one thing odd numbers, but 2 is even. It is also prime numbers because it can be divided only in its own table. So 1 2 3 5 7 9 11 13 17 19, these all are the prime numbers. And 2 2s are 4. Now we will divide it. 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are 18. 29 will be divided by its own number. So the factors of 29, prime factors of 58 are 2 and 29. These are only two factors. Now come for the exercise. That is exercise 2D from page number 33. First, fill in the blanks. 2 3 5 are prime factors of number 30. 2 3 5 are the prime factors of dash, that is 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. The prime factors of 41 and 1 are, what are the prime factors of 41? 41 is also a prime number, so the prime factors of 41 are 41. There are dash prime factors of 58. Right now we have done that in the example. Prime factors, how many prime factors of 58? They are only two factors. The prime factors of 10 are, what are the prime factors of 10? 2 5s are 10, then 2 and 5 are the prime factors of 10. The prime factors can never be a, we just have studied that prime factor can never be a, yes, composite numbers. In the same way you can do the blanks. 1 or 2 are MCQs for you. Select the correct answer from the given options. 3 3 3 and 5 are the prime factors of which 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 5s are 135, so this is 135. The prime factors of 110 are, what are the prime factors of 110? 5 11s are 55, this is not the prime factors. 2 5s are 10, 10 11s are 110, so this is the correct option of 110. The prime factor is always what? A prime number, the smallest factor, a composite number, the biggest factor. The prime factor is always a, yes, prime number. Now come for the question number 6. Draw factor tree to show the prime factors of the given numbers. You have to draw the factor tree to show the prime factors of the given numbers. What is the factor tree? Here we will draw for question number 4. The number is 15. So we have to draw its tree factors. Number 15. How many factors? 3 5s are 15. Clear? 3 5s are 15. 3 cannot be further divided. 5 cannot be further divided. So this will be the 3 factors of number 15. Another example for you, that would be 20. Let's see, part B is 20. What are the factors of 20? 2 tens are 20. Yes. 2 cannot be further divided, but 10 can be further divided. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. So what are the prime factors of 20? 2 twos are 4. 4 fives are 20. What are the prime factors? 2 twos are 4. 4 fives are 20. These are the prime factors of number 20. In the same way, you can do the other parts. Come for the question number 5. Draw as many different factor trees as you can to show the prime factors of these numbers. You have to draw the trees of number 40, 48, 60, 24, 50 and 72. Now find on question number 6, you have to find the prime factors of these numbers using the division method. You have to find the prime factors using division method. The first one number is 84. Come for the number 84. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 3 sevens are 21 and 7 ones are 7. These are the prime factors of 84. What are the prime factors of 84? By the division method, 2, 2, 3 and 7 are the prime factors of prime factors. What are the prime factors of 28? In the same way, you have to practice the parts as many you can do. Clear?